Hello. Hello. That sub sound effect just ripped me into the stream. Darkwood. Thank you so much. 6 months. Damn, 6 months. That's one of the. You might be the longest. You might be the longest. Can't tell. Foul. Thank you for the lurk. Gear Glass. Kind of first. The first not lurker, but then you lurked, so then you unfirsted yourself. Kilika. How are you, Kilika? Cassie Codes, how are you? The pacifist, ahoy! All right, how are y'all doing? I am struggling to get through this headache. I just took an Advil. Hopefully, it goes away in like 30 minutes, and then I can not feel like shit. Doesn't feel like I've been subbed that long. 6 months? Yeah, it's a long time. How long have I been affiliate? Been affiliate for about a year and a month, right? My affiliate anniversary was last month. I don't think anyone's done the whole yeah, I don't think anyone's done the whole time. Yeah. Thank you for the support. It means a lot to me, seriously. But also, not necessary, and that's why it means a lot. So thank you. All right, what am I doing today? I'm gonna pick up where I left off yesterday. I was working on a dev console. I just want to make a few more functions and then move on to something else. So I want a dev console function for setting time. Like I want to fast forward to winter or something, or fast forward to fall. That should be easy. Let's see what's the last script I have open. That's usually how I remember where I stopped. Okay, give photo. This was working perfectly. If I do say so myself. Let's close all this, right? Close. Also these, I want to enable hotkeys, right? Yo, Grumble! What? 6 months also? I spoke too soon. Grumble? How are you? Thank you for the sub. 6 months. That's two of you. Hype train? You guys are freaks. Yeah, I said before, I have a massive headache, so I'm going to be totally out of it. Totally out of it. I want functions to like show all these. Maybe I should just have one function that turns them all on. Doing good, trying to be a good boy and go to bed at a decent hour. Totally out of it, so more like my streams then. But it's only 3:45 p.m. for me. It shouldn't be like your streams. Yo, Cassie. Thank you. That is too kind. I appreciate it. Wow. Cassie, I think so I was in your stream from a raid yesterday, right? Foul raided into you? I never caught one of your streams before. Good stuff. I couldn't stay for long because I was literally in the middle of cooking. But yeah. What were you working on? What am I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna have like a God mode. I'm just gonna make a function that's like God mode. Oh, look at this. Wait, public setting debug methods. I already have these. Wait, I already have these. So I just need to add the commands for them. Okay. All right. And they take in a bool, right? First month, gotta start somewhere, yeah. A tic-tac-toe game, nice. I say nice in a very genuine way because one of the first games I ever made was a tic-tac-toe game. Also, that is a sunbeam hitting my green screen, and there's not much I could do about that. Wait, yes, there is. One sec. Oh no! Now my green screen is just falling on me. Okay, cool. Cassie makes a bunch of cool stuff with a very happy attitude, so the opposite of me. Yeah, all you do is butcher people's names and then make fun of them for following you. It's very inviting. One of the first, so the first time I ever got paid for doing Unity was to make a 3D tic-tac-toe game called Tic-Stack-Toe. It's an actual board game, and they wanted me to make an iPhone app for it. It was ridiculous. It was really fun to make, but I was out of my element a little bit. I had to learn everything on the way. There was not much that I didn't have to learn on the job, which is the best way to learn. Oh, wait. I need to make this take a bool. Bool. Shh. Set unlimited rooms. Activate sandbox mode. I don't even remember what that is. What is activate sandbox mode? Make all recipes cheap. Oh, show all recipes. I see. And then I also have make all recipes free, don't I? Make all recipes free. So let's make one that's public void. Make all recipes free. And then it should make all recipes free. And then show all recipes. Okay. Emil, how are you? I'm not saying I fell asleep midstream last night, but how did the dev tools end up? They ended up great. Actually, pretty great. So now I'm just going through and adding the things I need. Put your names with some self-loathing, as Chatson says. All right. So am I good? Wait, I have 2 of these. Okay. Is there anything else I want to do here? No. Let's test them. How many recipes will there be? It's a good question. I have like 50 so far. 40? Maybe 40 items? This is gonna be a lot. But some of them are recipes that are in the game, but I don't actually intend for you to be able to make them. Like some items I don't want you to have a recipe for. Some items will be unique and you just get them once. But right now, like almost every item has a recipe. What am I doing here? Testing. Yeah, wow, I can't even focus for more than 3 seconds without forgetting what I was doing. This headache is killing me. It's because I got like pretty drunk 4 out of the last 5 nights. uh, Last night I went to this IRL indie dev meetup, and it's so funny. I was just watching Adam C. Eunice's stream a little, and he was at an IRL dev meetup last night, and he was like, "Guys, I got to tell you, I feel so validated. I feel like I belong. Everyone was so nice to me. I had such a good time. I have a new lease on life." And my experience last night was horrible. I felt like I don't belong. I was in mid conversation with some people, and they literally just turned and walked away, like in the middle of the conversation without saying anything. One time, I walked up to a guy, and I was like, "Oh, hey, I was talking to you on Discord, right?" And he's like, "Yeah." And then I was literally about to say, I was saying my next sentence, and someone came by, tapped his shoulders, like, "Hey, I just want you to meet this person." Turned, looked away, never spoke to him again. Uh, I tried to show off my game a little. I couldn't find an open table, so I couldn't show off my game. At least if I show off my game, I can just stand there and hand the controller to people. It's usually the best thing to do. There were a few people that I've been talking to like every time I go to this event, and they're really nice, and I enjoy my conversations with them. But yeah, I just had like some other awful conversations that they just made me feel like shit. And then I'm watching this presentation, and yeah, just it was. I had some pretty intrusive thoughts, and I had to shake them. I left early because I knew like I was not in a good headspace. I was being grumpy, and that's not a good place to be. So refresh. Now the truth comes out. So it's a hangover, but I don't know. I didn't have a headache earlier today. It just started like an hour ago. It only started an hour ago. Things like that happen. It's like, yeah, I blame myself more than like, other people. I, yeah, I was in a weird mood. I was definitely like not feeling it. And then I just had a hard time holding conversations with people. Presumably a language barrier? Nah, not really. Everyone I tried talking to speaks English. It's mostly English speakers. I'd say it's like 75% English speakers, 25% Japanese. And then there's like a mix of people who speak both. Yeah, I was just being grumpy. And sometimes you ride the roller coaster of how you feel about your own game. And I'm on that roller coaster at all times, and it's never stagnant. It's always up and down. So, Grumble, you were saying the other day you felt really good about it. Like you had like a rebirth. You're like, I like my game. It's gonna be good. And those are great. Those are great moments. I have those moments too. I'm just not in that right now. All right, AL dot show set autocomplete minigame. What can I test? I could test set can perform all skills, and then I'll set this to true. And then that should allow me to build on the second floor. Okay, look at that. I can go on the second floor. Because if I set that back to false, it won't let me go to the second floor. Oh, if I hit up, right? Up, can false. And then I go back into management mode. Oh, look at that. I can't go back into management mode. Okay, that's how I know it's working. Awesome. That has now passed and everything is garbage again. uh, I had an interesting post yesterday on Twitter that made me feel good. Also, oh, the hype train. Thank you for that hype train before. Really appreciate it. I had a post that it made me feel good and bad. Like, I basically was like, hey, I'm taking a sabbatical. Post your productivity tips. I'm gonna need it. And, I was just being cute and whatever. And I'm genuinely interested to see how other people stay focused and what their tactics are for like sitting down at the beginning of the day, getting work done. Because I have been having trouble lately. And yeah, sometimes I guess it was a little disheartening. Like someone reposted it, and then their repost just like got so popular. And I really like the guy who reposted it because he's kind of nice to me on Twitter. So I got a lot of traction from him specifically. But it's just funny how like the repost is just so popular and then my post is not. That's another social media thing that I just can't let get to me. It's just social media. Ugh, that's another thing that gives me a headache. Taking time off from work, yeah. Next month I'm gonna start a 2 to 3 month sabbatical, and work on this full time. I've been trying to do a lot of dialogue writing outside of stream because I can't write dialogue on stream. So I got a little chunk done. Maybe like 3% of the dialogue, 3 to 5% I've done so far. This game needs so much dialogue. I made a huge mistake making a game that requires dialogue. That is not possible with my job, unfortunately. That is unfortunate. It is unpaid. I'm not getting paid for the sabbatical. So that made it possible. All right, I'm going to assume these all work. This system is very strong, so these work, guaranteed. I want to also turn off tutorials. Public bool. Hide all tutorials. I've heard of people doing it, but it's really special cases, and you have to use all of your PTO before you could take it. Really? You have to drain your PTO before you could take an unpaid sabbatical? I mean, I guess you can just get paid for some of your sabbatical with your PTO. I guess they don't want you to do it and then take more vacation later. I don't know. Well, yeah. I will say I work for a company that's just very kind. Lormiz, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Also, Turgis, how are you? Hide all tutorials. Where are my tutorials? The modal. Well, yeah, modal info manager. Yeah. If it's a tutorial, end hide all tutorials. Or inkeep game manager dot instance dot hide all tutorials. So if preferences manager hide tutorials or game manager hide tutorials is true, then we hide the tutorials. That means I don't need to have the setting on to check. They don't want you to cash out because they have to pay out your PTO if you quit. But they're going to pay you for the PTO anyway. I mean, I don't understand. Oh, like, I guess they want your time. Wait, I don't get it. They're going to pay you for that. Oh, I guess instead of paying you, They want you to take the time off. They just don't want to give you more money. They want you to take the time. Sure. I get it. Hide all tutorials. Mr. Marion, good morning. How are you? Welcome in. Oop. So here's how I've been writing my dialogue. I'm trying to figure out the best way to write dialogue. And it's coming together. It's coming together. I have a section, cutscenes are just going to live vertically here. Each character has daily conversational text. They'll just live here. They'll have friendship cutscenes, which are marked in yellow. And they'll have friendship quests, which are marked in red. And then when I want to design a quest, it's just a list of bubbles. And then once the quest is done, I can put it in the greater game tree and fit it somewhere. It's going to be great. I got away. It's kind of weird. I mean, it's just a company looking out for itself. That's one of the themes of this game. So I started writing some conversation for Eugene, who's the head of the town council. And his backstory is he used to like be in government, in like a government position at another big town. And he realized that, the government was controlled by big business. Big business was calling all the shots, and they were threatening the government with leaving and taking all the jobs with them if they didn't bend over backwards for them. So he realized that he couldn't do anything working at the government like he set out to do. So he decided to move to a small town and open up and have the town be more of a council scenario with all the business owners at the seat of the table. Maybe it's a little complicated, but I'll figure out a way to say it's simplistically. That's been the hardest part. Is like every character needs some backstory. Every character has to have this like optional story that you can get to know. I don't know. It's been difficult. Well, you have a quest where you are having a custody battle and you have to go to court to fight for your kid. Then if you win, you can force your kid to work at the hotel. Turgis, no. Turgis, no. There's something about my headache state right now that just can't. That's too much. It's too real. It also hits too close to home. It's too close to home. All right, I want to control time now. Nah, you're fine. You're fine. It's a sim, shouldn't it be real? If you can have that in real life way easier than in a game. I don't think anyone plays a game to deal with divorce and custody battles. They want to escape that. So I want a function where I can literally just put in the exact time of day I want to warp to. So how do I do that? I think I know. I think I know how to do it. Dev console functions. And then I want to basically private void set time. And I want to take in a bunch of integers. So int year, int month, int day, int hour, int minute. That's too many. I think I can only do 4. So I'll do year, month, day, hour. And the minute will always be at the top of the hour. So how do I do that? I think I just have to calculate how many minutes it is until that, and then set time to be that. So how do I set time normally? I have a function called add minutes. Minutes to add, yeah. Current time, add minutes. Where is it? Add minutes. And what does this function? Ah, damn it. Oh, what does this function do? It just literally adds minutes. It's so simple. So to do this, I just need to overwrite what current time dot set time attributes. No. Base time equals. So I just need to say hour times 60 plus day times 24 times 60. Wait, what? What am I doing? How many minutes are in a year? It's 60. So minutes in year, right? I think I have actually some like quick minutes in hour, hours in day, days in month, months in year. Okay. I do have a quickie thing. So I can make this kind of generic. So what do I do? Year. So I need like year equals year times hour, months in year. Oh wait, why are they private? Why are they private? They should be like const. Private. Public. 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 And then I just want them to be read only. So get return value. Is that how you do it? Wait, am I crazy? Why isn't this working? How do you just make a getter? I forget. Yo, Virtue. My friend actually pitched that idea to me to put into Stardew Valley type game. A custody battle? Yo, Jitspo. Are you crazy? Yes? Yes, I am crazy. Why can't I remember how to do it? Jitspo! Jitspo, thank you for the raid. Welcome in, raiders. My message was too crazy for Twitch to handle. Yeah, it was. Shout out to Jitspo. How was your stream today? Welcome in. CSLR doesn't game. Welcome in. Last part of the stream before raid is him yelling auto mod. Yeah, auto mod. Yo, people say the craziest stuff in here. I gotta keep auto mod on. Welcome in, everybody. What'd you get up to today? Working on some kook. Shout out to Jitspo. If you don't know Jitspo, he's an awesome Godot game dev. Also works in Blender. Works on many different projects. First-person shooter, a retro-style first-person shooter, side-scrolling, like a 2D momentum-style action platformer. Whole bunch of stuff. Spent a good while doing pixel-perfect UV unwrapping, only to realize I accidentally set the texture size to 250 and not 256. Oh no. That's annoying. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. I am working on a cozy life sim game, Innkeeper-Sim, called Alpine Lake. I'll play the trailer. Pyro GX, how are ya? I'm here, it's Jit's fault. Yeah, it is. A good while. You were working on for 5 hours until you realized. They don't need to know the details. Yeah, they do. Yeah, so this is what I'm working on. Right now I'm just working on like dev tools. It's been 4 years and I don't have a console where I can do dev in the app while it's running. So I got a drop down off of the Unity asset store yesterday and it works great, and now I'm just adding functions to it. Riveting stuff. Like 2 hours before we realized, damn. Hopefully it wasn't too hard to fix it. I made one you could use, but you'd have to switch to Godot. I remember I saw your asset. Yeah, you have one for free on the asset store, right? I think when I saw you show that off, I was in Grumble Pugs' stream, and I was like, "Hey, do you use this?" And then I was about to make one, and then I kind of forgot about it. And then I was in Red Cabin's stream 2 days ago, and he had it, and he was glowing. His skin just looked fantastic. He looked 10 years younger with it. So I'm like, I need that. I need that in my life. So I downloaded one. I've seen a few devs using it. Nice. Yeah, I do. I do really appreciate the Godot community. You guys really take care of each other. But you know, I'm knees deep in Unity and I can't get out. CF. Jesus, I don't know why I can't read letters next to each other. CSLR, thank you for the follow. So now I'm just trying to make a function where I can set the exact time. I was trying to make a getter. Like, I don't know why I can't get. I forget how to make a getter. I forget how to make a getter. Is it because it's public? Oh, it's because I'm setting it to something. I'm an idiot. Return 60. Like that? Is that how you do it? I just don't want you to be able to set this. Fuck it. I'll just be really good and not set it. I'll just be really good. All right. It's spreading. What's spreading? Getter, I hardly know. Oh, God. Oh, God. My brain is hurting right now, not because of the headache. Well, definitely because of the headache, but I just need to convert this into minutes. I want to input the year, the month, the day, the hour. I need to return how many minutes are in that amount of time. So if I put 3, how many minutes are in a year? It's months in a year times days in a month times hours in a day. Times 60 minutes in an hour. That's how many minutes in a year, right? So it's year plus, and then the same thing, month equals the same thing minus the months in a year, right? Times days in a month times hours in a day times 60. And then day equals day times hours in a day. And then hour equals hour times 60. Is that right? And then year plus month plus day plus hour. And that's the time. RLSCs. Did I say it wrong? CSLR? CSLR. It sounds like a cleaning supplies, or what is it? There's like something that's kind of like that. That's very confusing. Or like a car. There's like a car brand. Get private set. Mr. Marion, thank you. I'm not going to do that anymore. Well, actually, does that work? Can I just lop that on the end? The problem is I just... But I can't set it. So now I can't set it. Unless I do another like... Right? Now I'm even more confused. No. I'm just going to keep it. I'm just going to be really good. I promise. You're going to be so proud of me because I'm never going to set this. So let me fix my camera. Oh, I forgot to say, please, wishlist Alpine Lake. Play the demo. Do your part. There was like a 4-day period where he was slurring my name together and he started scrambling the letters. I'm just going to call you Klur. Kslur. Wait. Kslur. Kslur. Yeah, that's you now. Are there not any C# functions that just do that for you? You can also, you also have to account for leap years. Good thing I don't have leap years. To be fair, he only did it when I started calling him out on it. Not all months have the same number of days. Oh, but this is like in-game days. Every month is 28 days. Every month is 28 days. I think the better way to do it is to use a date time function to convert to Unix time. I would agree with you if it was a confusing calendar. But yeah, it's very linear. There's no question about it. Special in-game dates. Yeah. Atrum, how's it going? Or make it a const. It never changes. Is a public static const? Public const? Does that make it static? Wait. Days and months stack. Look what I have! Look what I have! Oh my god, why do I have that? Why do I have a special only static version? What is wrong with me? No, seriously, what is wrong with me? Where is this called? Who calls you? Show yourself. The scroll manager. I'm so disappointed in myself. I'm so disappointed in myself. Whatever. I'm done. It works. It's going to work, I swear. Const to static by default. That's good. All right, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to refactor this to be that and delete it. Refactor this to be that and delete it. Raise your hand if you think I broke the game. Wait, no, I thought const was static by default. Wait, what? Why are they broken now? Atrum. What did you make me do? Atrum. Public static const int minute and hour equals 60 non-changeable value. But why can't I can't even call it? It's the same, you just can't change it anymore? Well, that's good. I've definitely had some bad pronunciations of slur, but it doesn't bother me at all. That's good. Gotta hop off and eat and work. Work on a video. Jispo, seriously, thank you so much for that raid. Everyone, welcome in. Yo, Erend. How are you, Erend? Because you had a reference to them. You got to write timekeeper dot months and year. Yeah, current time, months and year. Oh, you mean timekeeper. Right. Got it. Got it. So it's probably broken in that other script too, because... No, it's not. Because... Yeah, it's fine. It's totally fine. Doing good, how are you? I'm doing okay. I started the stream with a massive headache, and I think it's gone. Right? If I close my eyes and shake my head doesn't throb. If I stare into the light, we're good. I don't have a headache anymore. I'm fantastic. Gotta love it when you fix one thing and end up breaking another. I think we're good, though. I think we're good. It's way cleaner. I think it's because I didn't realize that const were static. So that's why I had like the one in the and one in the other. That's stupid. That was really stupid. I wanted to give some shout outs to people who were here earlier. I'm gonna start with Val. Val was literally the first one here. So Val gets the first shout out. Shout out to Falonier, my stream boss. A fantastic streamer working on a Twitch chat integrated RPG MMO. I said the MMO after the RPG because it's controversial. Science streams! Val's pretty awesome. You're pretty awesome. Val is pretty awesome. Everyone here is pretty awesome. Blint, how are you? Blint, Turgis answered an ant-related question for you yesterday about why ants buried a piece of cereal. Why ants dug up their dead and buried a piece of cereal under the dead ants. And Turgis said it was because of the oleic acid that is contained in Trick cereal. Doing okay, kind sir? How are you? Apologize, I was sleeping when I was supposed to be watching. Jesus. You're never supposed to be watching. Ever. Was Turgis correct? Is it the oleic acid? Is the death smell? But why would they dig up the dead ants and then bury the Trick cereal under the dead ants? That's one of the questions. I understand like burying the cereal with the dead ants, but why would they like cover it? Does science just do ant science? No. Science does way more than ant science. Science does all kinds of science. Honestly, you should follow science streams. You should all. I keep losing my streak because you do daytime streams and I'm not around for them. So I'm really upset by that, but c'est la vie. I believe it's a concentration gradient. So it gives off the most smell, and so it needs to go on the bottom. There's like a priority. There's a hierarchy. I'm an armchair rocket scientist at this point. Nice. I'm sorry I can't talk. Blint, you do not have to apologize. I'm just being silly. I'm going to make a special case right here. And I'm going to skip everyone who was here already. I'm just going to give Science Stream a shout out. Make sure you follow. Seems like the ants are trying to figure out a resurrection ritual. Yeah, it is. All right, let's see if this works. I need to figure out how to expose a function that has multiple inputs like this. So dev console add action set time. And then, oh, right, I need to import sickdev.command. The name of this namespace, sickdev.command system, is the best namespace I've ever seen in my life. Everyone should be having way more fun with their namespaces. All right, so it's going to be int. Bam. Oh man, I'm so excited. This is going to work first try. Gotta head out now. So see ya. Slur, thanks for hanging. Have a good one. Let's see if this works. My last game had namespace spaghetti. I didn't know how to spell it at first, but now I'm a pro. That's fantastic. All right. Console al dot set time. And then I want it to be year 3, month 3, day 3, hour 3. Hour 3? Okay. It made it 3 a.m., which is not good. It made it winter, Thursday, the 4th, year 4. So obviously we're working in index time. That's why 3 equals 4. But the weather didn't change because weather only changes in the beginning of the day. So that's why snow's not on the ground right now. But I can just do this. Oh, wait, no, I can't. I have to al.innate set hotkeys. Hotkeys? Oh, God. Developer. Did I not make a function for developer hotkeys? Grave oversight. Hotkeys. Yep, I didn't. Excuse me. Public void set developer hotkeys bool val develop hotkeys equals val want to give a shout out to Cassie Codes, new streamer that I've just discovered. I actually don't know how long you've been streaming, but new to me. Working in Godot. So many of you Godowers. Pretty new. Godot, eh? Yeah. It's been all Godowers right now. I wonder if I want a function that saves the state of the game. Do I want that? I don't. It's a little dangerous. Okay, so function. AL dot enable, no, set developer hotkeys true. Now I can change the weather. Yeah. And then I can say set al.set time. Let's say year 3, day, month. Wait, what? No, month 4. Yeah, month 4. I'll just do 3s again. What? Okay. So now it's winter. It's day 3. Or it's day 4, year 3. Okay. So now when I want to jump around time, I have a great way to do it. If I go back in time, what happens? What happens to the world when I go back in time? There are some items in the game that the only way they know how to finish, like processing whatever they need to do, is if it's a certain amount of time has passed from the time that starts. So they would never finish. But this is DevTools. Who cares? DevTools, it's okay if DevTools break the game, right? So if I say al.setTime 0, 0, no, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. No, the day starts at 6, so I should say 6. And then that should just pop us right back to day 1, 6 a.m., beginning of the game. All right, I'm very pleased by this. Very pleased. Let's move on. So I can set time. I can enable developer hotkeys. I can give a photo. I can unlock all skills, unlimited rooms. Spawn guests. I want to be able to spawn a guest. Spawning guests is located in the in-systems spawn guest system. Paradox. Yeah, it is a paradox. I got time travel in the game now. How cool would it be if you could go back in time in the game, plant a tree, and then fast forward time back to where you were, and it's fully grown, and then that's the game mechanic. There's like a whole game there, like a farming game with time travel. There's a game in there. Someone make it, and then put me in the credits for inspiration. That would actually be really cool, right? There's something there. That does it. I need to go get myself a runtime console as well. Yeah. It's amazing. I'm like so happy. It makes me so happy. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Okay. So all I want to do is I want to basically call this function try spawn generic. Spawn, remove from queue, and then set the script to be dirty. Oh, can I share it, you guys? Can I share something with you guys? So in my recommended streamer list on like the left, T-Pain was in there. I'm like, T-Pain streams? I clicked it. T-Pain has the most wholesome stream I've ever seen. What the hell? How come nobody told me that T-Pain is an incredible, wholesome streamer? He's followers only too? Yeah, I followed him because I had to be like, what is happening? Side note, I just forgot the reason why I was so blown away by it. I show up and he's showing a music video that was like a CG render of himself with the camera rotating around a hill. And he's like, yeah, I made this in Blender. I'm like, did T-Pain just say I made this in Blender? What is happening? Is this real? It blew my mind. I'm like, I'm freaking out about it now. What is T-Pain doing in Blender? That's incredible. My respect went through the roof for T-Pain. It was insane. Insane. Does he sing on stream? No, he games. He played some of his music. He played somebody else's music, and then he played somebody else's game. I was in his stream for a good hour or two. I was captivated. It was incredible. We should shout him out so he'll follow you. Fucking shout out to T-Pain. God damn. He should be in software dev. No, I guess he should be in art, the art category. There's a lot of people, a lot of like celebrities and faux celebrities that I've found. Like, who else did I find? Oh, Pendleton Ward. Pendleton Ward was streaming this morning also at the same time as T-Pain. He's like, you know, he's one of my idols. He's like the artist behind Adventure Time, or the creator. I watched a couple of his streams. One stream is playing Among Us with Mario streamers. That's amazing. Yeah, that blew my mind this morning. Like, my wife, she doesn't care about Twitch. She's like, whatever. And then I was like, she was talking to me. I'm like, I'm sorry. T-Pain is on the screen right now, streaming on Twitch. She's like, what? And she came in here and she watched T-Pain with me for like 20 minutes. She won't even watch me. I guess why would she? She doesn't want to hear me talk more. Incredible. This is the old spawn function that spawns generically from the main spawn queue. Can I do that? No. What do I want to call here? Check spawn conditions. What are the spawn conditions? I feel like I don't want to check spawn conditions. I just want to spawn them. I'm going to make... All right, I got to force spawn... I just need a special dev console function. Dev console. Jesus. That is not safe for work. Private void spawn guest. Spawn guest. What does this take in? It takes in an NPC. Where's this function? Okay, cool. So I just need a random NPC, right? Where do I get all the NPCs? Spawn queue. I can grab one from the queue. Narrative queue, event. I'll just spawn a random one from the queue. And I'll even say spawn random guest. Spawn queue dot spawn queue dot count -1. I think that's all I need to do. And if I say private void spawn guest, and I give it a string like a name, guest name, then for each NPC in spawn queue if npc.name npc name equals guest name to lower. If npc name equals guest name, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Then spawn npc return. Okay, cool. This is terrifying. Oh my god. I guess you don't do it on your stream, so you got to get it out somewhere, right? I feel that. I get that. This is terrifying. Thank you. He's probably already in bed by now, but shout out to Grumble of Pigs. Sorry, Grumble of Pugs. I always get that wrong. So spawn random guest. With no input. Spawn guest with an input. And then don't forget using sick dev command system. All right. That should work. Let's see. Let's see if that works. I forgot I also have these things. I have these things. Valent? Cyant? Where is it? I know it's in here somewhere. I don't have it. I never made it. Naughty streamer. Naughty streamer. Thinking he made a command, but didn't. I just incepted myself. You deserve one. I'll make one for you. I'll have to. Finn! Finn, do you know Errand? You should follow him. Everyone should follow him. One of the coolest places to be. Godot, another Godot streamer. You're all Godoters. Godot, Blender, 3D Coat. Working on a tower defense game. I have no idea who that is, but it sounds like he makes bears. He pets bears. And he's a hat maker. Get streaked. 3-stream streak. I knew I destroyed your streak with my stream the other day. It was only an hour. I was like, Finn didn't make it. He might be mad. He might be sad. All streamers swapped to Godot. Don't know why. Yeah, they really did. There's only like 3 Unity streamers left. Maybe 4. You mean your Saturday bullshit stream? No, it was Friday. It was a Friday bullshit stream. Because I wasn't I didn't want to stop the stream, but I hit go live, right? And then 3 minutes in, my wife texted me like, "Hey, the party at work is starting in 30 minutes. Come." And I'm like, "But I just started stream." And she's like, What? This is a party, a real life party. Get off your computer. Like, okay, fine. So I did an hour and then I logged off. You went out? Yeah, I went out. I swapped to Unity. Good job, Turgus. You should try Godot. There's nothing wrong with it. Looks great. Carry on with your story. I really care. Finn! Yo, Anihan. How's it going? Oh, ads, sorry. Let's see if this function works. Bailing on a software and game dev stream, arguably the nerdiest type of stream possible, to go to an actual party with your actual wife is maybe the biggest power move the category has ever seen. Yeah, but my intentions were to stay. I just knew I should go. Like I deep down I knew I wanted to stay. But I went. al.spawn guest. No, spawn random guest. Boom. Spawn random guest. He did it. Wait, he just immediately left. He immediately left because he didn't have a place to go. All right, if I go over here, I can watch them spawn. So he spawns, and then he just leaves. Wait, how did they leave? What is he doing? He just like walked into the mountain. Weird. This is how they leave? What's in there? I want to go to there. Oh my god, science! Got all the dumpers. How many dumpers do you have? I've been collecting dumpers. I have 2. Everyone show your dumpers. All right, so that function works. What if I wanted to spawn a specific guest? I gotta rewrite that. Or I gotta test that. Y'all been very emote friendly. It's just Balint. He's delirious with exhaustion after his epic stream and it being almost 4 in the morning. No comment. al.spawn guest. Let's say I want to spawn Clay. Clay spawned and left. Perfect. Yes. It's only 4 a.m. Who's that dumpy? Who's Co? Co Carnage. Never heard of him. Bean Kennedy. Bean Kennedy dumpy. Who started this trend? This is fine. How does Finn not have that? All right, we can spawn a guest. Okay, so set chapter quest complete. This is weird because I'm not trying to do this one yet. I don't know what a chapter is yet. I just need a function that completes quests. I need a function that completes quests. How do I do that? He's not a dev streamer, just a gamer streamer. What is that one? Oh, plain old tray. Salt shaker. All right. I think that's all the debug console functions I need right now, or I want. That'll help me. I don't know how they'll help me yet, but I know they will. I might as well throw in a rebuild nav mesh. I mean, I do want this. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't care. I don't care about that one right now. What's next? Let's consult. Oh, right. So I changed a bunch of logic yesterday to make it so that some tools don't work outside your in. And now the warning message that says this tool does not work here doesn't pop up anymore. So I have to move those. Demo controller. So like this message, cannot use the sledgehammer here. What I really want now is this same message in the player selector. And I'm just going to make it generic. I'm just going to say, I cannot use this item here. Player selector. Oh God, that's terrifying, Turgus. That's terrifying. Perform item interaction. Where are you? Perform interaction down. No? Player selector. Player. It's the player state. Player state. Player state. Outside in. So if all of this stuff cannot use the sledgehammer, cannot use that here, cannot use that here. Oh my God. Flint. That emote. That emote's no bueno. I have to get rid of that. Jesus. You guys have lost your minds. You've lost it. Totally. All right, so I go grab the sledgehammer. I go to use it. Cannot use that here. Cannot use that here. Great. Fantastic. All right, so what I want to do is I want to improve your... I want to improve the way you can view your relationships with the townspeople. So I think I need a separate menu. Right now, what do I have? I have a guest logbook. So it shows you a list of all your guests. Right? Where is it? Here. Guest log. If I say AL set as, where is it? Have met everyone. True. And then I back out, come back in. Now I've met everybody. Okay. So for guests, I have this heart meter, and I show their favorites, and I show a description about them, and I show their profile picture and their room standards. But with a citizen like in town, I really just want to show like the hearts. They don't have favorite snack and favorite and room standards. They don't have this stuff. So maybe I need another menu. Oh, I didn't want to make another menu. This pause system is already littered with menus. Science is a bad influence on me. If I was my own parent, I wouldn't let us be friends anymore. How does it look when you add a console command in code? It looks like so. It's one line here on enable. I register it with the singleton, add command, action command, input, function name, and then I give it a namespace. It's pretty clean, pretty smooth. I mean, I've been like writing special functions just for the console, but this part is smooth. It would be even cool if it was like a tag, you know, like console command. That would be cool. But you know, I'll take this. It's technically the same amount of code or the same amount of lines. And Atrium, it was a free asset. It is possible to add with tags. I'm sure it is. I don't know how to do that. I have no idea how tags work. But it's either code generation or boot time. It's gonna be a bit expensive. Problem is finding all methods that has tag and adding them. Right, I see. Yeah, no, this is totally fine. I'm perfectly happy with throwing them in on enable. I couldn't have asked for anything better. And if anyone's interested, the asset was called asset store. Oh, what is this? The Unity 6 toolkit. Get up to 90% off top performing assets? What is this? What is this? 96%, 97% off? 10 GUI styles for $164. Jesus. Wait a minute, I might buy this. What's in here? All right, 2D stuff. 2D stuff. Pixel art tile set full bundle. Let's give it a quick look. I'm curious. It's cute. That's really cute. Jocko the Taco. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. How are you? This is adorable. But I'm not making a 2D game. Get everything for only $33. I already own this. FPS, I don't want it. Easy build system, motion building system, modular building system. I already made one. Doing good, and you? I'm doing great. Doing great. Thank you for asking. What brings you here? Save 90% quick start. What is this? View bundle. Other assets or mega bundles. UMMO. All right, that's pretty cool. I already own this. Crafting system. I already made one. Damage Numbers Pro. I already made my own system. It's this again. Turn-based strategy framework. That's kind of cool. Modern UI pack. Cinti prototype. So the one thing I would buy this if the GUI styles were interesting. Cuz this is pretty crazy. 10 GUI styles for $16. That's a lot of 2D art. That's a lot of 2D art for $16. Fantasy RPG. It's all like kind of mobile-y. Mobile centric. Survival clean. No, not really. The stone. Mono round. Yeah, I would use something like this. Mono looks cool. Blue sky looks a little mobile, a little too mobile. Yellow kid, that's way too mobile. Simple round. It's fine. It's just rounded corner stuff. But these are pretty priceless. These, like, if these are well designed, which I can't tell. Having well designed icons like that are invaluable. Played the Alpine Lake demo a week or two ago and enjoyed it. Didn't know you stream until now. Oh, your name is familiar. Did you join the Discord or something? Excuse me. Oof. All right. Anyway, what was I doing? I was showing the asset for the runtime dev console. It was this free one. No, I saw it. Come back. This one. Dev console 2. Free. Sick. Highly recommend. I did need to refactor it to work for Unity 2022. I needed to just change the name of a class because it was clashing with something. But other than that, highly recommended. Oh, nice. Well, welcome to the stream. If you have any suggestions, let me know. All right, so I need to make a new UI that shows you. Oh, maybe I just have it here. Maybe I have a sub. That's what I'll do. I'll add it to this people tab and I'll have a sub tab. Just like I have. Oh no, I don't have any sub tabs anywhere. I wonder if it's gonna complain. Welcome to the coziest stream on Twitch. I've seen way cozier streams. I have a suggestion. Add an NPC named Moon and make it the coolest NPC in the game. That's going to cost you 100,000 channel points. How's it going, Moonez? You know what I'm really sad by? No one's redeemed the Play Rocket League redeem. No one wants me to play Rocket League with them, against them, or just watch me get crushed. I was excited for it. Aaron, I baited you. Play Rocket League. I didn't know you were waiting. Yeah, I wouldn't put it there if I didn't want people to do it. Do you want to play with, against, or should I just play? I need to boot up the PC. It's like turning on a rocket ship. Focus, damn it, Atrim. Rocket League trumps focus, damn it. I never played, I just want to see. All right. I gotta wait for the computer to turn on. Where is my parsec? It's very addicting. I've been playing since 2016 and I'm not good. Come on, computer. There you go. Yokoso. So I changed everything to English that I possibly can, but this still says welcome in Japanese, which I'm totally fine with. At least I can read it because it's not in kanji. So the funny thing is, I think I can switch my monitor input to be viewing the PC, but you'll still be seeing this monitor that has Parsec on it. right? And then my mouse still works because... Oh, wait, I don't see my mouse. Oh, there it is. Okay. So now I see it. So I'm controlling the mouse through Parsec on the same exact monitor that I'm switching to. It's very confusing, but now it's like I don't even have to change inputs. The keyboard and mouse is seamless because of Parsec. All right, everybody. We're playing Rocket League, 1 round, 5 minutes. I'm not going to warm up. I'm just going to jump right into a casual match. You're all just going to have to deal with it because I want to. You have decorations. Do you have so player can interact with them to say some monologue? Yeah, I can do that. Turgis! I want to be represented by a character in the credits who will be hiding behind a bush. I'll put your name in the credits. Wait. Hold on. Let me switch back. Let's add you to the credits first because I'll forget. Did you already add yourself? How do you want to be represented? Emote only? Nah, you don't have to do that. They're just going to spam dumpers. Quick, undo emote only. Been a long time since I played Rocket League. I'm back. Your stream is safe now. Thank you for coming back. Someone redeemed Rocket League because I asked them to nicely. All right. No warm-up. Just right in. Oh, right. It takes... Since I'm in Asia, it's like impossible to find a match sometimes. Come on. Find something. It will not look in US, and if I play in US servers, it's like 100 and it's like 200 milliseconds of ping. It's really bad. You're allowed to just play what you want. No, you're not. You're only allowed to play the game if someone redeems it. Oh, we found one. Okay. We found one. Now you get to all see my concentration Rocket League face. Oh god. Oh god. Can't hear the game. Actually, I can't hear it either. Why not? Wait, I broke it. Oh god. I was fucking with the sound. Let's see if I can get it to work. Where's my mouse? Yeah, this ain't a good setup. Forget it. Wait, now I don't have control. No! This is amazing. Oh, that's why. Parsec. There we go. He was waiting for me. That's nice of him. Oh my god. No, get out of here. I got no boost. Come on. Oh, my ping is terrible. 250? Where am I? I don't even know. That was weird. Are you 1v1? Yeah. He gave that to me. He gave it to me. Fuck. Ah, he bumped me. I think I would have had that. Go, 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 go. Save. Nice. Yo, Beegs. You added cars to Alpine Lake. Yeah. What did I add yesterday? Space. I added space 2 days ago, and now there's cars. I'm unhinged. Whoa, okay. That was awkward. Oh, no, 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 no. That was so stupid. Yeah, the ping is not great. No excuses, but that's not great. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I watched a live tournament at PAX of this and blew my mind how good they were. Yeah, people get really good at this. Wait, what? Why did that even happen? My God. Who is that? Soul Retriever? How's it going? Ah. No, nothing I can do. Turgus, thank you for the lyric. Have a good night. Wait, what? What server is this? Masamune. Ah, that's bad. No, what is happening? That was terrible. I'm getting crushed. Publicly. Public spanking. Middle East? Maybe. The server, the Asian servers are totally dead. In the middle of the day, the Asian server is totally dead. I set it to recommended. Oh wait, shit. Oh shit. Something. Adam! Adam, how is it going? You caught me at a time. Thank you for the raid. Shout out to Adam. Oh god. I promise we're doing game dev today. But I have a redeem for playing Rocket League for a second. Dropping off the kids, treat them well. I shall. I just want to score one more goal. No, it's not going to happen. Welcome in, Raiders. Normally, I'm always doing game dev here, but I did add a take a break for Rocket League redeem. So that's what we're doing for 2 more minutes or for 30 more seconds. If you don't know who I am, my name is Andrew. Working on a cozy life sim game called Alpine Lake. It's like an innkeeper farm sim style game. For those of you who don't know Adam, who just rated us, he's a master pixel artist, game dev, working on Insignia. Make sure to give him a follow. It's perfect timing. Yeah, it's over. All right, good game, good game. Forfeit, yay. All right, we're back. I did my best. That's Rocket League errand. How do we switch? Okay. So what do I need to do? Everybody out. Welcome to Helen. Make me Duolingo now, Atrim. I can't do that. Don't do that to me. I'll do that in a little bit. I'll do that later. He stole my redeem. Yeah, Finn has a do a Hades run, and a Rocket League match is only like 5 minutes, so I figured it's pretty good diversion. Yo, casual. Let me catch up for a second. Posture check. Thank you. Okay, I'm all caught up. All is well. But yeah, welcome in everybody. Should I play the trailer? This is what I'm working on. I need to reset myself, get back into this. Jonathan Adshead. Nice to meet you. How are you? Welcome in. So yeah, you decorate your inn, you build your inn, you farm, you cook, you fish. There's a dog, all this fun stuff. Been working on this game for 4 years. The demo is out. You can wishlist it. You can play the demo. If you feel so inclined. Just released the demo 2 months ago. So for the past 2 months, I've kind of just been in like a bug hunting mode. Not really making any features. Thanks for pinning that. Stardew Valley meets Animal Crossing. Sort of. It's a little like Animal Crossing. I don't like to reference it too much because Animal Crossing, just the style of gameplay. It's way more like Stardew Valley. The style of gameplay. You know, there's a narrative. You don't have to wait for a real life day to go by. It's set more in like a realistic world. There's no talking animals. Has it been 2 months already since the demo release? Yeah. Yeah. The wish listing has died down significantly. We're back to like a normal rate. But still getting some wish lists from all sorts of places. He doesn't like to reference Animal Crossing too much because Nintendo are always watching, waiting. Bigs. It's true. Raider from... Look, I'm a Raider. How do you like that? So it's silly because I looked over and I had Adam's stream up on my third monitor. And as I'm playing Rocket League, I see the countdown for rating my channel. I'm just like, oh God, here we go. That's why I was like, oh no, something's about to happen. Yeah, I don't want to get sued by Nintendo. All right, so here's what my next task was. I have these characters. I have 2 types of NPCs in the game. I have guests that stay your inn, that they come and they go, you know, in a couple of days. And then there's townspeople that are there forever, and you can become friends with them and build your relationship with them. So I think I need to refactor how NPCs like care about you. Like I have a heart system here, but I don't want a heart system anymore. That's exactly what Stardew Valley does. I don't want to do that. And I think I need two systems. So when guests come and they stay in your inn and they have a good time and they leave a good review, like I think that's what I want to track. How good of a time they had at your inn. I don't think you want to be like friends with them. But the regular NPCs, I do want to track how well of friends you are. And I want it to be level based. I want there to be a progress bar. I want you to know how much more or how friendly you are with that person and how much more friendship points you need to level up. If your game is successful enough, the Nintendo sues you, you know you've made it. Yeah. I was looking at Pal World's stats the other day. What is it? Gamealytic. Pal World's only on Steam, right? So Pal World has made roughly 200 to 600 million. That's a pretty big gap. They estimate 400 million. That's crazy. That's absolutely insane. Yeah, they made it. They did it. And Xbox are on Xbox too? I did not know that. I guess if you make something on PC, it's pretty easy to put it on Xbox. It's a little more difficult for the other consoles. Not on Switch, no. That's probably what triggered the lawsuit. Palworld submitting their game for like Switch approval. 40% of players in China. Interesting. Is that what you just saw? Or was that 40? Oh wow, I did not realize that. 40% China, 18 US, 4% Germany. That's Germany, right? Pelly, welcome in. How are you? It's because all the data you have is purchases per review, and that can vary quite drastically from game to game. That's right. Yeah, they don't actually have access to this data, but I think they make a pretty good estimate. Like if these numbers were much lower, I think they can make a way better estimate. Because someone was talking about their game on Steam, and they looked at Gamealytic to see how their reviews were, or how like what Gamealytic thought of their game, and they were like, yeah, that's pretty much in the range. They kind of nailed it. So I'm sure there's like some deviation, but yeah. I don't understand, but they have an upgrade to premium so you can see other feature, like other stuff. All right, so let's make a new, I'm gonna make a new UI here. And see how it goes. Let's see. UI. Guest log. So it's not really a guest log anymore. Now it's like people. Whatever, doesn't matter. 2 million to 11,000. What is this? 11,000 players right now. 2 million all-time peak. That's crazy. That's crazy. I just responded to that. Making UIs is it just takes a lot of motivation and effort. It's such a big undertaking. So what am I looking at? The inn. Hide the inn. Open up the guest log. Okay, so right now this is one singular guest log. What I really want is I want a guest log and I want a friend log, right? So I have a scroll view, a description panel, and a title. If you upgrade to premium, they'll check in the back where they keep the good numbers. Yeah, Aaron, like, what else do they know? Hey, you want those good numbers? Geofracture, how's it going? Just a thought, but you could use the way NPCs greet you as an indicator of friendship. Oh, like how good the greeting is? Yeah, they can like a little pop-up, like an emote can pop up next to their face when they see you. That's a great idea. I like that. I'm gonna put that on the list. Content additions. NPCs. Create emote thought bubble on initial greeting to indicate friendship level. Ads. Should I take this off the list and put it back when the ads are over? Is that how software game dev streams work? Andrew's very sorry for the ads. Yeah, he is. All right, so I need a panel here, a panel of tabs. I can grab these tabs, I guess. So I don't need this many tabs. I need two. I need two tabs. And they go here. And they should be this color. Whoa, no. Yes, that color. UI is always fun if you want to support free aspect. I actually do support free aspect to an extent. I don't support portrait, but you can definitely drag it around and it kind of works. It's not fun. There's definitely moments where it breaks. I think 16:10 aspect ratio is as square as it can go. And then ultra wide, and then I support ultra wide as best as I can. I think I want this all the way up, right? Yeah. So now I need a parent for these things. Create empty parent. Okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's create that parent first. UI. Create panel. There we go. And then put everything in the panel. And get rid of this image. Remove. I hate UI. I don't hate it. I actually kind of like it. I'm bad at like making well-designed UI, so that's not great, but there's something kind of nice about it. All right, these tabs are gigantic. So height and then width. And this guest log needs to just be here. Icon, icon. For now, I'll just put text in here. And I'll make this that. Center it. And hide the icon. And then same here. Not hard, but kind of boring. It definitely has its moments and its lulls. For show. 300. And then this is the friend log now. Friend log. Okay. Why are these so misaligned? They should be in a lower center. Middle center. There we go. That was weird. Oh, bottom 29. It should be 10 and 15. This panel could be smaller. Is that right? Yeah. Ooh, this gets squished. This was very carefully designed, but it looks fine. It looks totally fine. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, it's totally fine. Why does Unity still have the legacy text component? No one uses it. Just makes text mesh approaches. Yeah, no, they did. They did, I think. I think in Unity 6, Text Mesh Pro is the default. Maybe not. I mean, they have to have it to support the backlog of 1 million projects that use it. But I'm pretty sure in Unity 6, it's the new standard default package. In my game, many things break in the UI. Maybe I'm just not good at it. It's not easy. Unity does not have a good... There's no built-in, like, you know, UI manager. There's so much you have to make custom. I would say that 50% of my dev time was dedicated to making sure the UI functioned properly, had controller support, the buttons, you know, went to the right places, because, you know, also, like, you know, you have to pause the game in the background. You got to make sure inputs only go to the UI. There's just like no right way to do it and no Unity defined way of doing it. So I feel like that's why UIs cause so many bugs and issues. Also, this text doesn't need to be this big. That looks good. Okay, cool. They took out Legacy in 6, but you still get the pop-up saying import TM Pro when you add text. So a default project in Unity has no text ability? That's amazing. Biggs, did you get a shout out yet? Are we still getting Rocket League audio? I don't know, are you? No, because maybe. Maybe, I don't know. You did get one. Did you see Biggs will lose his dev badge on the 21st? I did. I did see that. How does that make you feel, Biggs? I can't hear a word Booyah is saying because of the engine revving noises. Is that true? That's not on stream. I can't hear anything. Oh, Biggs, you're playing Rocket League. I think you're playing Rocket League and you're getting confused. Also, Finn, thank you for the lurk, even though you're not lurking. Everyone behave. I'm gonna go play COD before I get back to work. I mean, I'm not really a game dev anyway. That's not true. You're an award-winning game jam game dev. I've seen it. I've seen it with my own eyes. You have trophies. So now what I need is I need submenus, which this is the part that I didn't want to do. I think I don't need to do that. What if I just hide these things? Nah, GUI panel. GUI controller. This is basically none, right? It's submenu, sort of? No, it's none. This should be set to none. No, submenu. No, none. I don't remember. Let's just do none. So now this has a canvas selector, which is where does the selector go? Canvas group selector. I guess it just goes here. I'll put it on panels. Oh, I need another panel. Panels. So this is guest log panel. Duplicate. This is friend log panel. Put them both in panels. And now this gets a canvas group selector script. Move tabs and selectables. These are the selectables. And these are the tabs. This is now called button guest log. Button friend log. I found that it was a video in Discord. It just happened to be a car racing game. That's ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Okay, so now this button needs to activate the guest log panel. This button needs to activate the friend log panel. And this tab needs to use alt input because this uses the main input. We're almost there. And then this UI needs to have a reference to the canvas selector. Is that it? And then this panel, oh my God, wait a minute. NPC scroll. Whoa, did I do this? Did I really do this? I can just switch the NPC type to basic. I can't believe I thought this far ahead. I think I'm done. No, something's gonna break. No way. That's not just gonna work. Let's see. Let's see. If I pause it, if I use the keyboard to go to this menu, Yeah. Yeah, it's a little broke. It's a little broke. Didn't fully implement that. Oh, it's these move left and move right buttons. Right, because these are all referencing the wrong canvas. There we go. So these are canvas group selector, select game object input, and it does remember the right ones. Yeah. And these are move left and move right. So canvas group selector, select bool. And then this one, select bool, but positive. Yep, it remembered. Okay. Panels. Contents. Use alt input. Use alt input. It didn't use alt input though. Parent canvas group. I guess the parent canvas group is this one. Okay. And then, oh, maybe because they're not sub menus. Let's try that. Sub menu. Maybe they're supposed to be sub menu. Because one of them should have been visible. That was weird that they were both hidden. I already know something I missed, but let's just try it anyway. These are Unity errors. That's okay. Guest log. Okay. So this one showed up. That's cool. And I can't click this button. I can click it, but it's very angry. It only works on the second click. And I get an error. Okay. On the GUI controller. It's because it doesn't have a canvas group. Oh, duh. Canvas group. I'm a dum-dum. Canvas group, canvas group. Oh, and they both need their own selection marker. Okay. They don't have an animator or whatever. They do have their own selection marker, right? NPC description panel. No. Here's the selection marker. So selection marker. Selection marker. And then this one doesn't need the reference to the selection marker because it doesn't have its own anymore. So we can set to null. And submenus. That's right. I need to add these submenus in here. So submenu, submenu. I don't know what's gonna happen if this submenu has submenus. I've never gone two submenus deep. There's a reason why I didn't have a secondary tab. And I'm about to find out why, because I forget. Okay. So it opened properly. I didn't get any errors, and I'm immediately able to scroll. That's good. If I hit the alternate input, it actually takes me to the friend log, but the friend log is empty. It's showing me it's showing me like debug window, and all my basic NPCs are not showing up here. But that's a start. But yeah, I gotta sleep. Thanks for the stream. Aaron, have a good night. Sleep well. Thanks for hanging. All right. So why did that happen? Why did we not see any of the actual guests? Or any of our friends? I don't have any friends. Scroll view. Oh, I know why. No, I don't know why. Oh, I know why. No, I don't know why. I know why. Because this on open populates that window. But now this needs to populate it. And then this needs to populate itself. So on open, populate this scroll view. Populate. Okay. Cool. The other issue is that these two buttons, they're supposed to dynamically show the correct key you're supposed to press, but it's showing K and L instead of the correct one. So how do I fix that? Let me fix that real quick. Famous last words. Real quick. Malachi Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Oh, it's because this event type now is not left bumper. It is left trigger. And I need to swap these with better ones. Okay. Select. So this needs to be left trigger. This needs to be right trigger. And I want to copy this so it's like copy everything. Copy component. Paste values. Okay. Copy. Paste. And then I'm going to hide the originals because I just want to make sure they work. Is that it? I think so. You going to double dip? What? What does that mean? All right, I think we're good now. So I go over to here. It shows Q and E. That's correct. And my cursor's gone. These are updating. Go to friend log. Are these all the friends? When you did the sub within a sub. Oh, I see. Everything seems to be working. I'm kind of shocked by this. Kind of shocked. I need to see. I need to meet everybody to see if it's working. Use my handy dandy dev console. Set. Have met everyone. True. So excited by this thing. Look at that. Oh, now they're both showing up. Great. Luigi doesn't have a profile pic. All right. All right. This is cool. So I just need to design a new window for your friends. Also, why is Landon in T-pose? Everyone's fine, except Landon. Landon's in T-pose. Cool. There was some funkiness with it, though. What was it? There are some people here I don't even want you to be friends with. Like Luigi, Sophie. Sophie's not even on this list. Why is Luigi? I must just have this by accident. I can get rid of that. Also, now their profile pic, the distance between their pic and their name is so big. It's because it used to be bigger and it made more sense for some reason. Now it doesn't. Or maybe, oh, I see. I just wanted this to line up. All right, I'm going to design a new one of these, and I might be able to keep the same friendship number in the background and just show progress bar instead of a set of hearts. It's really just an integer of experience points. It's all the same. All right. So panels, NPC description panel, select. So this is like a NPC guest description panel. Duplicate. NPC basic description panel. So what don't I need? I don't need their likes. I don't need their stats. What do I need? What do I need? I just want like your friendship and maybe where they are or where they usually are. Maybe it doesn't have to be like a description window with a panel. Maybe it can just be built into the scroll view. Like the button itself, it's not a button anymore. It's just a list of selectables that you can scroll through that has all that info. Like, so you can see it at a glance. I don't really want to reinvent any wheels right now. This wheel works. It's just not, it doesn't give you a lot of info. And if I ever do implement a gift giving system, I can reuse the stats, or I can reuse this likes panel at least to show their favorite things. You know what I'll do? Let's just prototype something. So mid panel, let's make a new thing here. I'll keep the heart panel just in case, and I'll say friend progress. Do I have a progress bar? I know I do. I have like a stat bar. I have it in, it's, what do I use to show stamina? Stamina bar. Oh, it's not a prefab. It's not a prefab. Let's make it a prefab. So UI prefabs. Windows. Do I not have like a generics? Create folder. Generic items. Generic prefabs. So I'll make this progress bar. Oh, shit. Yo, the Whitechapel. How's it going? Thank you for the raid. Ani, welcome back. Whitechapel. How are you? Pandan, welcome in. Gilgamesh Joker, how's it going? Soul Redeemer. Welcome in, Raiders. Shout out to the Whitechapel. Finn, welcome back. It's going okay. Nice. Yeah, how was your stream? How did your stream go? What'd you work on? Gimme. Give me stuff to share. I want to see. Yo, if you guys don't know who the Whitechapel is, one also master pixel dev or pixel. Why do I keep saying pixel dev? Master pixel artist, animator, Unreal dev, 2D, making a 2D Metroidvania. Welcome the hell in. Everyone out there who is still here from Adam C. Eunice's raid, guaranteed you will find the Whitechapel very engaging. Please check them out. Solid. You were animating today? Nice. Had some cool idea to merge the mobs in the background more. What do you mean merge them? Like draw them in this gross amalgamated blob, or play with their colors so they look more in the same plane? I'm assuming you meant gross amalgamated gooey blob because that's your style. If you guys want to see too long did not read, animate them when they die, they match the background. I see. Oh, with colors? Okay. No, but now I do. Yeah, they need to just form a blob. Gee, thanks. Because you have an enemy that looks like a blob already. Just pile them on. Give me more work now. Honestly, just one of your characters looks like months of work to me. It's crazy. You crazy. But yeah, everyone make sure to follow Whitechapel ASAP. So I'm working on some UI right now. I have a guest log in the game, and I'm just trying to add a friend log because I want you to see your friends and how you stand with them. Don't you wish you had this in real life? Like just a little blurb and a progress bar of how well you're doing with your friends. You know, there'll be no question as to whether or not they're mad at you. You'll see a status. Did they tell you about the new scuba diver? No. Who's they? Wardstone. Wardstone's Tudio. Wardstone, you changed your name to be very confusing. God, no, that could be crippling. Actually, yeah, because then you'll see all your friends are mad at you and you had no idea. What's the new scuba diver? What you talking about? It's my Halloween costume. That's a fantastic idea. Change your username for Halloween as a costume. It's brilliant. Whitechapel made a new design on stream that's a scuba diver. Send me. Scuba boss, maybe? Just an idea? Send me pics. I want to see. Are you gonna make me scrub through the VODs? Don't make me scrub through VODs. I sense a bit of Tude from Wardrobe. Tude indeed. Tudio. All right, I want to make this smaller also. Yes. Lynx, I like Lynx. That's the scuba diver? He's cute. Yeah, that's crazy. So he's holding an anchor and there's like a snake wrapped around it. Or is that, oh, that's the rope. Ooh, you should make it a snake. That pose too. So good. Boss lineup. Just a screen cap. That's great. It's 10 a.m. Got to start work now. Sad. Got a meeting, but we'll lurk. Jonathan, thanks for hanging, and thank you for the lurk. Enjoy your day of meetings and whatnot. Need to work on outfit more. I mean, I see like the bits of armor plating and straps and buckles and whatnot. Very cool. He looks very strong that he's just gently holding this from the top. Just like, yeah, I got it. He's just palming. He's palming it like a basketball. Very cool. If that wasn't proof enough to follow Whitechapel, I don't know what is. Oh, yeah, we were looking at Pal World stats. Oh my god! Oh my god, Sninko! Sninko! Welcome in! Shout out to Sninko. How was your stream, Sninko? We just got raided by Whitechapel not 2 minutes ago. My body's exhausted, but my brain is going vroom and won't let me sleep. Gilgamesh, it's really hard to sleep when you have Twitch open. Especially if the volume's on and your eyes are open staring at it. Pro tip. Icy. How's it going? Imagine him hold it fiercely and going to your face. Wait, what? I didn't read that right, and I'm very confused. How's it going? It's going well. How are you doing? What'd you get up to today? I did see you looking at some spooky cool pixel art. Yeah, Whitechapel, of course. Oh, right. I don't know why AutoMod blocks LMAO. It's so ridiculous. Here we are yet again. Double raid. Ani, I think you've been here in 3 raids. It was a good stream. First back post-holiday was some Sekiro and going back into and getting back into the group. Were you at PAX? Sneeko, did you go to PAX? Am I remembering correctly? No, you read it right. It's late. I'm getting sleepy, but too long. Did not read him swinging it at you. Got it. You went to PAX. Nice. How was PAX? The double rainbow. Got to make that emote maybe. Oh, the double raid bow. That's right. Double raid bow. Yeah. I need like I want overlays that are just like double raid, triple raid. You know, like an Unreal Tournament. I think I've seen that on someone else's stream. I was here first, then got raided in 3 times. Apparently I can't stay away now. No, I'm like a void. I'm some kind of black hole of Twitch at this time. Because everyone's winding down and people come here sometimes. When it raids, it pours. Super jealous. Must have been amazing. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds fun. I want to go. Yeah, I didn't get to go to Tokyo Game Show, even though I had free tickets. Oh no, ad's starting in a minute. And that would have been really fun, but maybe next year. PAX was great, very inspiring. Some great games, big ideas for next year. Nice. Do you have anything you want to share? So yeah, I gave a shout out to Stinko earlier, but I didn't really explain to you why you should click follow. You should click follow because Stinko's a fantastic Unity developer, another Unity developer, working on a game based on Greek mythology, where you are one of the Greek gods who can't see. I forget which one. And the whole game is kind of visually sound based. Everything's sound waves. It's very cool looking, very stylized. Never seen anything like it. Make sure to check it out. Love the relaxing music, by the way. Very chill. Yeah. Keep it chill here. Yeah, it was great. Had GCAP. What's GCAP? The week before. Great way to bundle an Aussie trip. Wink, wink. Why wink? Why are you winking? What's GCAP? You can make Sninko do a handstand exercise. Yeah, also Sninko's very into calisthenics and working out and staying fit. Just like Aaron with the fitness streaming. Not here. Here is where we go to sit for too long and feel pain. Yo, Gilgamesh, thank you for the follow. GCAP is like Aussie GDC. Ah, I see. Very cool. Ad break. Sorry. Sorry you're all in ad break. Push-up redeems when? Honestly, I wouldn't mind doing them. I could probably use some kind of encouragement. Hydrate, thank you. I do need hydrate. I was gonna follow anyway, but Adventure Time sound made me want to follow more. Nice. Yeah, I love Adventure Time. Big inspiration. Join Biggs and I in hating ourselves a little for putting the push-ups in. You don't like it? Have you seen Fiona and Cake? Yes, I have. They're great. They're great. I love them. I like the Fiona and Cakes more than I liked the HBO hour-long episodes before that. Like those 4. They came out like 4-hour-long episodes. I like the Fiona and Cakes actually more than those. You better follow the grandmom. Don't conquer their lands, Mr. Gilgamesh. I see. I love it. It's good for me, but seeing the push-up debt go up is daunting. Yeah, you know who's really good at that is Practical NPC. Wait, I haven't seen Practical NPC in a really long time. Is he okay? Shout out to Practical. I haven't seen Practical live in a little while. Sorry, me is also tired. Also, why I'm gonna go play car soccer. I need some energy. You gonna go play Rocket League? Did you not just? We were just playing Rocket League here. I love the Fiona and Cake one way more because it brought back Adventure Time, but turned up the mature themes in a great way. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Practical's okay. He's back now. Okay, good. If anyone wants to join, that's ridiculous because I have a redeem that I will play with you. What do you mean play? Yeah, look at the redeems. I literally just played. I don't remember if I put a cooldown. I think I did. I think I put like a 1 per stream cooldown. All right, where was I? I was making this new menu. So, basic NPC description panel. And then progress bar. I want a progress bar. Look at that. So I don't need these hearts anymore. Bye. Bye. And there is a description panel hearts meter here that I need empty now. Clear collection. Sadly, I can't stay. Don't have the luxury of being in a time zone that lets me stay. AK, it's 2 a.m. Have a good day on Whitechapel. Have a good night. Have a good night. Sleep well. Sleep tight. I didn't know, but I don't have that many points. Yeah, it's a lot of points. Probably isn't that much fun because I was a GC and it probably would still be if I would ever play. You're a grand champion? Jesus Christ. I'm a horrible what am I? Yeah, I'm just like a Platinum 1. Platinum 1. That's what I was years ago. And yeah, it just pins me with other Platinum 1s. And usually they destroy me because I don't keep up. I just play a couple times a year. So I basically just lose every time I play. I'm a bounce 2. Got pole dancing to get to and some chores. Sninko, thank you so much for that raid. Have a good rest of your day. You get them chores done. Sleep well, Mr. Plague Doctor. What game are we talking about? Rocket League? Talking about Rocket League. It's one of my favorites. All right, so progress bar. How does one control you? It looks like it has no width. What? Okay, it looks like the width of it doesn't matter. Because deep down inside, it has its own mind. Okay, so this width is not stretched. What if I do x 0.5, 0, 0? Okay. If I do that, then, oh, this gets all messed up. Because these are not stretched. Right? Right? Progress bar, background dark. How do I make this properly? Did I make this thing? Progress bar, background dark, progress bar foreground. I think I have a Photoshop document. I think I made this thing. Let's see. Inkeep, textures, work. Oof. Even that little guy hurts my eyes. Can I turn this into night mode? Customize toolbar. Can you night mode this? Finder. Preferences. Advanced? No. General? No. Tags? Sidebar? No. Where's the progress bar? Icons? Let's do a search. Progress bar VO1. Where are you? Where are you? Show in enclosed folder. It's in... Oh, GUI. That makes sense. Progress bar. Let's do some Photoshop. I'm gonna hop out too. Icy, have a good one. Enjoy your Rocket Leaguing. Gotta bounce. Want to go watch Sninko, but I should sleep. Wait, you mean pole dance? Wartstone, Tudio. Have a good night. Get that sleep. All right, so the problem with this, the reason why it's squishing is because I have too much middle. I don't need this much middle. Are these shapes? They are. They are. I only need this much. And then I also want to make this pixel perfect. And then, oh, that sucks. Wait. Go back. Oh, perfect. Great. System prefs. System prefs. Appearances, night mode. Night shift options. Displays. Oh, there it was. Night shift. Night shift automatically shifts the colors of your display. No, that's not it. Dark mode. Appearances. Dark. We did it. Yo. Malachi, man. First time chat. Killing it. Thank you. We got dark mode now. I had it set to auto. I'm surprised it didn't go into dark mode already. It's probably because it doesn't go into dark mode until 7 p.m. All right, cool. Thank you. Good night, y'all. Ani, have a good night. I love how everyone goes to sleep during my stream. It's always bedtime to the world. All right, so I don't want to like mess up what I have already. So I'm going to save this as a V2 and then make just a new texture. I'm not going to overwrite anything. It's 2 a.m. Need to crash. Yeah. Gilgamesh, have a good night. Mac user had to validate to chat. There you go. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I have pretty strict validation, which I don't know if it helps me or hurts me, but I don't get spam botted anymore. I don't get best viewers click here. I don't get long live chow. Clean chat now. Yo, Cog, it's 4 a.m. Just woke up. Good morning. Good morning, Cog. All right, so we got new progress bar here. Should I redesign this to be better? It's kind of lame. What does it look like? That's lame. I should redesign it. What's a better progress bar? Let's go to the handy dandy UI game UI database.com. Let's just search progress bar. I don't know. You think that'll work? Progress bar. 2 results. I mean, yeah, of course it doesn't have text. I just need to find options. I'll just go to options, whatever. Settings menu. I'll look at like volume progress bars, volume sounds. No, those are sliders. Would it be like level up screen? Search level up progress. Progress feature unlock. That might have something. Just joined Twitch to follow Adam when he stopped streaming to YouTube. Now following others. Oh, right. Yeah, he stopped streaming to YouTube. Yeah, well, welcome to Twitch game dev category. It's a lovely place. There's tons of fantastic streamers all doing game dev. Where's a progress bar? Here's one. It's grayed out though. Why is it so hard to find a progress bar? Here's one. I mean, yeah, it's nice. It's got a gradient. What about Fay Farm? Fay Farm is very well designed, I feel like. Fay Farm? There's no Fay Farm. What about My Time in Portia? My Time in Portia has terrible UI. My Time at Sandrock has slightly better, but they don't have Sandrock. They only have Portia. People love this game. I found the UI to be terrible. But it's a decent game. I've played it a bunch. They use the star system. And a heart system. That's right. Stars if they're friends. Hearts if you can romance them. It's a decent system. It makes sense. I just want to see some progress bars. Here's one. Or is that a button? No, that's a button. Some of us seem mean. We're mostly harmless and just grumpy. Yeah. There's some... I've seen some mean Twitch streamers in software dev. I will never name them, but I was in there and it was very uncomfortable. And they bounced out immediately. Come on. All right, let's just not remake it for now. I'll deal with it. So this is dark background. Work. Output. Progress bar. Where are you? The tray. Progress bar. Dark. Background. Save copy. Oops. It's so annoying. PNG. Output. Progress bar, dark background. Short. I'll just put short at the end of it so I know it's the short version. Output. PNG. Progress bar. Light background. Short. And then this is the fill, I guess. GUI. No, what am I doing? Save copy. PNG. Work. Output. Progress bar. Foreground. Short. Save. Okay. DM me then, I'll name them. No. Grumpy is an understatement. The built-up hate toward our own code bases that refuses to play along, only spewing out warnings and errors, never a green log. Good job, man. It's pretty accurate. Guys, I need to take a 2-minute break to get more water, use the bathroom, stretch my legs. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hang tight. Alright, I'm back. Can I expect a lot of bathroom breaks then? Look at this guy with his water cycle. I very rarely take bathroom breaks. I have a new idea. If the editor detects a compilation error, next time it successfully compiles, it can display a pop-up congratulating you for fixing a bug. Atrium, make that asset. Make it. People will use it, even just for PR. Honestly, you can probably have ChatGPT write that for you in 30 seconds. No, we were just taking the piss while he's taking a piss. Probably not. Streamers have to run ads equivalent to 3 minutes per hour, so new viewers don't get ads when they join the stream. Most Twitch streamers do all their urinating then, mostly off camera. Oh yeah, I could have waited, but that's in 17 minutes. I really had to go. Also, I needed water. Finn, don't use Copilot. Finn. Okay, what was I doing? Save. Progress bar. Shout out to Finn for making me feel bad about myself. He's very good at it. Finn's co-pilot is a tiny woman who makes fun of him. That is the best. You win the day. No, I use tab 9 for autocompletion, which is trained entirely on wholly permissively licensed data like MIT. That's nice. How do I use tab 9? Yeah, fat out to Shin. Fat out to Shin. Shout out to Finn. Shout out to Finn. He's a fantastic Unreal dev working on a horror game. Give him a follow. Will ya? Will ya? Oof. I'm actually like dizzy starving. I'm so hungry right now. I'm getting kind of uncomfortable. Short. 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 There's a free version and a Visual Studio plugin, or there'll probably be a Black Friday sale too. But will it work on Mac? Probably not. Default, sprite, apply. Only textures with width, height being multiples of 4 can use compression. I don't care. Sprite editor. Hi. Apply. Oh, I need to make sure these are identical, don't I? So what did I do? 18 and 18. Let me do it more, actually. 20 and 20. It makes sense. Okay, so now if I go here, prefab has been modified. Save. You know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I don't care if I break my other progress bar. It's worth it. Short. Sliced? Wait. Oh, pixels per 1. There we go. Wait, what did I do? Oh God, this is causing chaos. Foreground, short, sliced 1. Foreground. This is why I did it. Because you can't have a filled, sliced sprite. I'm so stupid. I already did this. I already did this. I went through this whole process. I went through this whole process already. And it's because I wanted to use the filled image type. I couldn't use it. So maybe I need a layer of... I need to use this as a sprite mask or something? Can I like nest this and use it as a sprite mask? So what if I say none? And its alpha is 0. I add a sprite mask. I set it to, actually this needs to be like white square. And then I do this. It doesn't work. What if I do white square? Alpha cutoff. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Remove component. Sprite mask. Foreground is this blue part, right? Let's just set this to sliced. To 1. Okay. This is the foreground. If I make a gradient. If I make a gradient here. Grade. Grade? Horizontal scroll gradient. Vertical, whatever. No? Ramp? If I make a gradient and then scroll through the alpha cutoff, does that work? Let's try this. New 128, 128, black and white, gradient, gradient, basic, black to white, linear. And because this is linear, I need to save it as 16-bit, don't I? My new thing now is just to straight up save PSDs in my project. Unity projects, assets, textures, gradients, horizontal linear gradient, PSD. There's a free version. Oh wait, I read that. Bruh, keep peanut butter and Ritz crackers at your desk. That is the quickest way to gain so much weight. Desk snacks. I don't know if it works on Mac, but it's a Visual Studio plugin, so I don't know. Hey, if you only had a whole ass 4070 Windows PC there to dev on, you mean this one? Oh look, Hades too. Don't make me do a Hades. UI image has a fill rate. Wait, what? No, but I want to do a fill on a sliced image. I don't want to do a fill on a regular image. Look. So I want to keep this, oh, wait, fill center? Yeah. So how do you do it on a sliced image? I'm all ears. I thought a sprite mask with a horizontal gradient, horizontal gradient, horizontal linear gradient, make it a sprite, apply. I thought maybe this would work. It doesn't. Custom range? Why doesn't this freaking work? What does sprite mask do? Is it alpha based? Oh, it must be alpha based. Oh my god, why did that happen? It must be alpha based. So I actually want not this gradient. Like this. Wait. This one. This one. Ah, there we go. That didn't work. It doesn't work. Sprite mask, you still need an image? So if I just do this, don't even have that. Sprite mask. Gradient. Horizontal. No. Why? It's not sprite mask. Mask. Rect mask. This doesn't do it either. Do I need to put it inside? No, doesn't do anything. Oh wait, because this image. Rect mask. Rect mask. Yes. Remove. Remove. Okay. It's called mask. But then I have no control over it. Oh, except for the fill. Right, image. Image. White square. Filled. Not radial. Right. And then hide that. Does this need to be above it? Looks like the fill doesn't, the mask doesn't respect the fill. Oh, yes, it does. What if I have this alpha to 0? No, then it overwrites it. So how do I deal with that? Mask has a show. Ah. Okay. This is the way then. This is the way. Because that means this progress bar, foreground, rect transform, fill amount. It's going to mess with the fill. And then I don't have to change anything. It's going to just work. Nice. Nice. And then slice 2. 1.5. Why does this happen? What's up with that? Oh, it's because I don't have a middle slice. Let me add that actually, just in case I want it. Progress bar. This was a big improvement on progress bars, even though they now look exactly the same. $16.16. What if I do 15? 15. Whoa. 20, 15. Okay. Apply. 15, 15. Thanks, Atrum. Thanks, Atrum. We got there. This is why we dev live. Okay. Oh God, it's a mess. It's a nightmare. So now if I do 1, 2, 3, and I say 2, there we go. What? Wait, these look right. This one don't look right. Oh, because that's not using short. There we go. Nice. Nice. 1. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. I seem to be there in VSC on Mac. What is VSC? Visual Studio? Oh, it seems to be there in Visual Studio on Mac. All right, I'll have to check it out. Yeah, good job. Good job, Atrim. Appreciate it. So this is now the health bar foreground mask. And this is health bar foreground. This is garbage. This is cabbage. And then I totally broke progress bars everywhere. I know this. I know what I did. Shalavijas. Hello. How are you? Welcome in. So what's up with this? This is terrible. If I revert all these, can I, is there like an easy reset? Reset. No, I don't want to reset. I want to revert. I want to revert. There we go. Oh God. Thank you for the hydrate. Okay, these are all right. Why do these have a 1 pixel? Oh God. I don't like that, but whatever. So now the problem is the foreground doesn't match. Because these need, oh, that's why. Yeah, save. I think I want this to be default 0, 0.5, 0, 0. Okay. Who are you? Who are you? What is that? Oh, that's what that is. And this can just be maxed. And now I go back and this looks good. And now this can just be the whole that was fantastic. I don't understand. So this panel is just pinned over here, but it has no width. What is this? What? Oh, it's this. So, no. Duolingo. Oh my God. So it just notified me. Atrim, I know you, that was you, right? That do a Duolingo. I'll do a quick one. I'll do just a word search. They take too long. They take longer than a round of Rocket League. All right, bear with me, everyone. We're going to do a round of Duolingo because Atrim's redeem. Focus, dang it. You did this to me. I'll just do like a word match practice. Words. Practice. Let's review practice words. Terebi. Yoku. Chisai. Eiga. Iced coffee. Ohayou gozaimasu. 音、カーテン、よく、西、アイスコーヒー、小さい、映画、テレビ、マネージャー、ジャケット、地下鉄、地図、アイスコーヒー、マネージャー、地図、100円、wait, 100ショップ、E100 ショップ or just 100ショップ I don't know. テレビ、店内、New Year's Eve? I don't know. What does it say? Ohayo gozaimasu. Yes, that's good morning. But what is New Year's Eve? Omisoka? Omisoka. Maybe that's it. Yeah, Omisoka. I never learned that. Jacket, 映画、よく、カーテン、柔道 No, that's Chikatetsu. Chikatetsu. Chisai. Oh, Judo done. Nishi. Akai. Philippines. Philippine. Oto. Oto. Shmekiri. This is one of my favorite words. Deadline. Shmekiri. Shmekiri. Sixth. Actually, I don't know how to say it. I only know this kanji and then day, but I don't know how to say sixth. I'll never know. All right. 425 days. Thank you, Atram. Jacketto. Yeah, jacketto. Jacket. 誕生日おめでとう。昨日は妻が誕生日をWait, no. 昨日は妻の誕生日です。でした。If anyone knows Japanese. And also, it's not even yesterday. It was 2 days ago. I don't know how to say 2 days ago. No idea. I used to know. All right, so now I should be able to... does decorations give stats for the different rooms? They give the same stats no matter what room they're in. Oh, look at that. Now I can do this. This is all I've ever wanted to do. Okay, one thing I don't like is I can see the yellow here. I don't love that. What if I just make this a little bigger? Like 1.1? 1.001? Oh no, why don't I just do -1, -0.5, -0.5, -0.5, -0.5. That's really dirty, but it works. Sticking to it. Yo, Fal! Fal, how are you? Remember this roadmap I made? I'm gonna try and stick with it. I'm gonna try and stick with it. I'm technically only starting here, so everything needs to shift, but hopefully I'm gonna try and finish all of my dialogue and story development by the end of November. I think I could do it. I wasn't talking to you specifically, Fal. I was just kind of reminiscing, seeing if anyone remembered it. But specifically, how was your stream today? Shout out to Foul. I think I gave you a shout out. You were the first person I shouted out today. But we can do it again because it's been over an hour. It was good. We touched on the UI some more, but Yag bailed on me, so I didn't get to do everything I wanted. Yag. All right, so this is your friendship progress. I need a... Actually, I want different colors for this too. What color would be friendship progress? Let's do let's do some orange. Wait, I have a palette. I'll use my palette. And then the background should be something dark. Maybe this dark blue. Whoa. Wait, background. Oh, the background doesn't do anything. That's right. Delayed wait, what? Delayed foreground. Oh, the delayed foreground. What do I do about that? I don't remember what I do about that. But now I just need to redo the title scene and the dungeon select scene, and I can push the UI update. Nice. You got swatches in Unity? Yeah. Swatches. You can make your own swatches. You can load them. This is the default one. Got my own. That's so cool. It's not that cool. It could be cooler. It would be really cool if you could, like, I don't know, have a fancy tagging system where you can tag something as a swatch index, and then you can change it in the swatch and it'll update everything in the game. Now that would be cool, but it doesn't have that. Might be worth making that asset. I'm pretty sure it exists already. Pretty sure it exists already. It wouldn't be that hard. Just anything with a color. You can just add a script to it that searches, finds color, sets it to the swatch color you want. Actually, I think a lot of assets do that. Wait, so this can just be yellow. The delayed foreground. What do I do with this thing? How does this thing work? I think this okay, I know why. Yeah, save. I need to do the same thing as the foreground mask here. So this needs to go away. This is the delayed foreground. Foreground mask. It goes underneath the foreground. It should be yeah, let's do that. And then this gets the delayed foreground mask. Cool. Indexed color. Davros, is that a thing? Is that a thing built in? There we go. So the background should be black. Or maybe it'll be this dark blue. Yeah, dark blue. I don't like this 0.5 pixel offset anymore. Let's change it. What if I do 0.2? 0.2. 0.2. 0.2. Okay, I can live with that. I can live with 0.2. In the before time, most games machines had index color. Yeah, those were good times, right? Back then, colors were constant. All right, all that in an effort to. I forgot what I was even working on. I spent so much time refactoring this stupid progress bar, which now I need to go into the main screen and change it there before I continue. Let me hide the pause menu. Spent so much time doing that. So this pause menu now, broken AF. Oh my god, look how broken it is. Horrible. I could also live with with 0.2. Yeah, nice. In the days of monochrome. Man, games used to be so hard to make. I watched a documentary, an NHK documentary on Final Fantasy 1. It was like a little it wasn't like a in-depth documentary. It was just some interviews and some explanation of the RPG craze in Japan. It's pretty interesting. It's in English if anyone's interested. NHK Legendary Game Chronicles Final Fantasy. I'll link it. If you're a fan of Final Fantasy, paste, and you have 30 minutes to spare, it's kind of worth watching. It's fun. Is this what it's like to do UI in 3D? Is the UI in Godot not like in a faux 3D space? I mean, it's on a 2D, it's on like a 2D canvas. It's visible in 3D space as well. And the camera knows to filter it out. I don't work in 3D, so I have no idea. I'm sure it does. I bet it does. Man, it was a lot of basic on a C64 to have a bouncing ball. No, I don't miss those days. I love how easy, not how easy. I love all the modern tools provided for making games today. Love them. The people who made games back then, you gotta hand it to them. They did some crazy stuff. All right, I need to reset all these. Wait, they're not. Wait, they're fine. But why is... Wait. What? Revert. What? What? Why does it look fine? In here, it looks fine. This is set to that. This is set to that. That's that. And that's that. And then I come back. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. You? Negative 0.2 all across the board. What's going on here? Oh, is it this? There we go. Weird. No, I still don't like this. I still don't like this. This is not making me happy. This is making me unhappy. It's likely the same. Yeah, I would imagine. Games are much smaller but harder to make in other ways. Yeah, like not having a save, not being able to save your progress on the Nintendo, or at least at the time when they made Final Fantasy, you couldn't, or what is it, Dragon Quest? The original Dragon Quest, you couldn't save your progress, so you had to put in like a cheat code to get back to the progress you were at. And Yeah, just all the memory limits. I can't imagine. We take it all for granted. I'm very happy taking it for granted. Don't care. So I want this to be 0.8. Left 0. Oh, whoops. 0.2. 0.3. 0.25. 0.15. Right 0. 0. No, 1. And then left. Ooh, this is so unhappy. Okay. That's all right. They're super smart working with such small resources. Yeah. It's not bringing you happiness. No, this brings me no joy. This yellow outline brings me 0 joy. Well, maybe games wouldn't run like crap if people still cared about optimization and memory. You got me, Atrum. You got me. Got me good. I need to make sure that I didn't totally break this. So let's make sure. Hey, if AI did a better job of my code, I would have less problems. Yeah, AI code. This is one of the things I don't think I'm gonna install any kind of AI coding. All right, let's al dot give item sword. No. Machete. No. Oh, right. It's a string. There it is. Wait, I have it. Which one worked? Machete? Oh, that did work. Okay. Oh, this is my new favorite thing, the console menu. So I broke it. 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 Damn it. Let's see if I run out of stamina. The progress bar is not moving. I had to be talked to about optimization earlier today. You got scolded? I take optimization fairly seriously. You know, I make sure I don't I don't run code that will destroy your computer just because I can. Web coding culture where everything is hidden by network latency. Yeah, that's also true. Oh wait, I have unlimited. Do I have unlimited stamina? Why is this? Why am I not losing? Oh, wait. I think I'm using the dev sword. Is this the dev sword? I might be using the dev sword. AL, give item, axe. Oh, I freaking love this console. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Now it's using stamina. I must have given myself the dev sword. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, it works. And I don't actually see that yellow line that drives me nuts. No, yes I do. I see it. Whatever. Whatever, man. I want this background to be black. No, I want it to be very dark gray. Very dark gray. Okay. Cool. How we doing? How we doing on time? It's been 3 hours and 30 minutes. Reaching my hungry state. Also, oh, it's late. It's 7 p.m. Where is my wife? I didn't realize how late it was. Web devs have zero respect for optimization. We should ask the expert. Should ask Irish John when he's on. Shout out to Irish John. He just made Twitch partner. Fantastic. I think I'm gonna wind down. I'm gonna wind down the stream. I'm getting really hungry and tired, and it's time to go. Hey, I'm a web dev, and yes. Nice. Everybody, thanks for hanging out. Seems like a good amount of you stuck around. Troopers. I will be back tomorrow around the same time. I love to see you all again. If you could do me a favor and give Alpine Lake a wish list if you haven't, I'd really appreciate it. Feel free to play the demo if you'd like. If you play the demo and you actually enjoyed yourself, leave a review on the demo page. There's nothing better or more helpful that you can do. There's no more helpful thing you can do than leave a review. Unlurkilica! That was a mega lurk. Mega lurk! Catch you next time. Malachi, you're welcome, and thanks for hanging. Yep. Let's do some credits. Wow, perfect timing. The 3-hour and 30-minute YouTube clip just ended. And with that, we should end the stream. So what happened today? I know got some hype train going. Gilgamesh, Malachi, and Jocko. Thank you so much for the follows. Darkwood, Grumble, and Cassie. Thank you so much for those subs and support. Finn, thank you for modding and keeping us safe. Adam, Whitechapel, Jitspo, and Sninko mega raids. Oh my god, thank you so much for the love. Really appreciate it. Thank you for safe, Finn. Yes, everyone thank Finn for safety. Let's go raid Ryan Art. Haven't raided Ryan Art in a good month. So let's raid him. He's a C++ programmer, pixel artist, working on a tower defense game. And he's not working with any engine. He's making his own scratch game. Darkwood. Thank you so much. I'll catch you again. All right, everybody. I've got nothing new to share. No raid message. Let's just say hi. Let's just show our support to Ryan. All right, everybody. Have a good one. Ciao.